gems on Alibaba.com. Today, we're going to unveil the secrets of the Amazon Products Hunting Kit, your ultimate tool for online product discovery. Imagine embarking on a thrilling expedition through the virtual aisles of Alibaba.com. With the Amazon Products Hunting Kit, you're not just browsing, you're hunting, equipped with state-of-the-art search algorithms and real-time trend tracking. This kit is no ordinary tool. It's your ultimate guide to uncovering hidden treasures and lucrative opportunities. So, how does one navigate this exciting landscape? It's simple, and it all starts with the Amazon Products Hunting Kit. First, you'll need to install the kit. Head over to the Amazon Products Hunting website and download the software. Once downloaded, you'll have to install it, making sure to follow the on-screen instructions. Now it's time to set your preferences. The kit allows you to filter your search based on several parameters: price, category, even specific regions. This feature enables you to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for, making your hunt more efficient and successful. Next, activate the trend tracking feature. This powerful tool keeps you ahead of the curve, identifying trending products before they hit mainstream markets. It's like having a crystal ball for online commerce. Once you've set your preferences and activated the trend tracking, it's time to begin your hunt. Click on the search button and watch as the kit scours Alibaba.com for products that match your criteria. It's that simple. And finally, review your findings. The Amazon Products Hunting Kit presents you with a comprehensive list of potential products, complete with detailed descriptions and pricing information. All you need to do is choose which treasures to claim. The Amazon Products Hunting Kit is more than just a tool. It's an adventure. It brings the thrill of the hunt to the world of online commerce, transforming the way you discover products on Alibaba.com. So why wait? Embark on your expedition today and uncover the treasures waiting to be claimed.